How to tighten your VG, your vagina. Part 3. This one na for those wey no dey understand Igbo language, because I've already done the video in Igbo. But for those my sisters wey no dey understand Igbo, so this particular video is for you, like on how to tighten your VJ, your private parts. Part 3. Number 1, you must avoid big bola. Yes, anything that has to do with big propeller. For those of you that likes them big, I love them big. If that nigga bola no big, I know the chop. Big bola or nothing. Number 1 step you need to take if you want to achieve a tight VJ, if you want to gain your confidence back, the first step is to avoid big bola. Anywhere you see big bola, oh my sister, run for your life. Run. Avoid it. Then, secondly, avoid sex for a longer period of time. I know it's difficult. Some of you now, if you no knack, you go be like say you won't die. But avoid love making for a longer period of time. For like 1 month, 2 months, you keep counting. Before you know it, it will become part of you. Yes, you get used to it. So avoid it. Give yourself space. Avoid man. Yes, avoid man for a longer period of time. You find out that your VJ will start doing what? Compressing. Or is it contrasting? Which one do people call it? It will start coming together. Because, okay, just imagine hole. Okay, just do this experiment at home. Just carry something like pen or pencil or stick. Look for foam. If you have any foam, just chook them inside. Boom, it will enter. Continue dey chook that thing, dey chook that foam, dey chook that foam, carry that pen or that pencil, dey put inside that foam. If you dey do am every day, you find out say at the end of the day, that place will get big opening to the extent that if you put that pen or that pencil inside, bam, it will no longer hold it. Like, you don't have to force it. It will be wider, like you just put and collect. It will not size it again. Unlike when you started it, or when you be choking it like wow, then the thing will not be entering inside and be difficult to pull out. But once you stop putting that pen inside like that, let me tell you what will happen. It's just like if you are the type that likes snacking every week, you must snack. Instead of that, your VJ to be tight, it will keep expanding like sprocket. It will just wash. It will, I don't know how to put it so that people will understand it. It will scatter beyond repair. But once you stop or avoid sex for a longer period of time, it will be tight, like it starts coming back together. Now, so the thing go decompress. They come back together. They come back together. They come back together. Before you know it, it will be tight again. Please don't use VJ tightener. I did not say you should use alum, because if you like, use alum. Before, if another man enter there today, tomorrow, it will still scatter again. But avoid sex. After avoiding sex, make sure you don't make out with a man that has big bola again. Avoid it. Follow me, share this video for the part 4 of how to achieve a tight VJ. This one is going to be practical, like pure practical. I promise you, you will gain your confidence back as long as you follow me and watch my videos. I love you.